Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to do this with a face and put it in a shape like off of one of my videos, and he says the text, or it won't highlight the text. Well, it's not a text anymore. Even if you go to object group and ungroup all, it's not a text. It is just a curve or, yeah. So let's just group it. Really nothing you can do except for I would type it over and start over. It's going to be hard to get the Amen and the Lord's Prayer. I'm going to Control G to group it. Then I'm going to go over here to the envelope tool while it's selected. And I actually probably got the shape selected. Oh, because I grouped it all together. So let's go to group, and ungroup. And then this time just get the text and group it, go to object, group. Then you've got it selected, so grab the envelope tool. I'd go ahead and select it all and go right here, well, with your shape tool. Let me see if I can't. Well, I should be able to turn them all into curves. There we go. I just need to select them. I'm actually going to turn them into cusp. That way I can just change one handle. Now this isn't going to be perfect because of the fact that it's not a text, but if we grab all these, we can lower them. Well, I didn't grab them all. Grab all these three nodes and lower them to get it more in the size of the paper or whatever he's going to cut it out. We're a little bit too close to the side, so I'm going to select all those and bring them in. Then here you're going to want to add nodes. Well, I don't know if we can with the envelope tool. Yeah, we can do them individually. So I'm going to double click on the line, add a node, a node, a node. There's already one there. A node, a node. You've got to be on the line. Then I'm going to select all these nodes and I'm going to go to cusp mode. Cusp mode only allows it to change one handle at a time. So we can go here and move that like that. And then we can actually bring this in further. And like I said, it's not going to be perfect because we're asking it to do some things with text. Like this is never going to meet over there because it was center justified. And you could, if you add another node and select both these, you could probably bring that part in. That doesn't look too bad. Let's bring this in a little bit. And, you could bring this out, but you got to be careful not to stretch the letters. We could add another node right there. And by doing that, when we do that, it only change. Let's see how it stretched that letter out. So I wouldn't do that. Maybe grab three at a time and nudge it out. And then maybe with your unselected and then because it's a cusp, you're only going to do one angle at a time. That doesn't look half bad. It's just real difficult when it's center justified and you're trying to do something like this. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.